Hello traders, today we are going to talk about MarkTools. I'm going to give you some brief intro about how to use it, what you have to do in order to get it into. So let's get started. First of all, let's sign up for the product. In order to do that, you just either want to click on sign up on the very top, or you want to go all the down and click on the subscribe button. So here you have two options. First is signing up with a social account, or you can use your direct address. So in my case, I'll be using direct address. So I'm using my demo account, pressing OK. So now I have to get a verification code. So it will go to my specified email. Okay, I've got it. Uh, okay, so we are done. It will show you the terms, so you either have to accept it by pressing on continue, or if you don't want to accept it, you just click on sign out. So let's, okay, we are in. So MarkTools have three main components you can experience in a workspace. First is the main toolbar for quick access and making some actions. The second one is layout. So in this layout, you'll be able to see different charting that adjusted by you. And the third one, finally, it's all about tickers. So here you have all the tickers you can experience in our platform, and by choosing them, you can apply them right to your chartings. MarkTools allows you to show numerous number of chartings on the same view. So in order to do that, you just want to click on this drop down. It's a list of all available layouts pre-created by you. So you have by default one with a single view, but you can create other ones. So let's click on add new layout, and here you have predefined templates, but let's choose the first one. So here you have two buttons, like create by columns or by rows. So let's create by rows. Then you have again those buttons in each tile. So let's create like this. So for each tile you want to specify the time frame you want to use. Let's say I want to drop set like from 12 hours, let's say 4 hours in 1 hour. Okay, I click save and exit, and I put layout name, my layout. Okay, so as you see, it's applied instantly, and you see 4 hours, 12 hours, 1 hour. So everything is easy. You can change the time frame on the fly. So for any layout, you can change the size on the fly. In order to save it, you either have to you have to click on save, or if you have your autosave checkbox activated, it will be saved automatically within 5 seconds. So in my case, I usually want to see it checked, so it doesn't bother me to click on save all the time. In each tile, you have charting for particular time frame, and also you have a info box. This info box shows summarization of what's going on the chart. So you can switch off those info boxes by clicking on this button. Also, you have three additional buttons that you can use in order to show your bias tools. But bias tools, I mean, it could be either bullish or bearish. For example, I want to see only bullish tools on my chart, so I click on bullish. If I want to see only bearish, I click on bearish. So everything is simple. To switch between layouts, you simply click on drop down and choose layout you want to see. So as you see, everything is simple. To change the layout tiles, you click on pen, boom. So if you don't want to change anything, you can just press discard and exit. Also, in each section, in each menu for your specified layout, you could realign your tiles. So let's say I moved, screwed up everything, so, and I want to restore them in some aligned mode. So I just click on align. If you want to rename, you click on rename. If you want to clone it, it means to create a copy. You can create a copy or you can delete it, simply delete it. Also, let's say I'd like here. Let's say I have a EURUSD, yep, and I'm forex trader, and I want to trade it along with Dixie. So I want to see both them on the same time. So in order to do that, you just click on tickers list and you just choose Dixie. So whenever you apply new tickers to your whole layout, it will be applied only there where you don't have specified ticker. So it's kind of useful for you when you want to see both things at the same time. Let's say I have something like this, boom, boom, and let's say I could choose 1 hour, 1 hour. So on the top pane I have EURUSD, on the bottom pane I have Dixie. So I can see them both at the same time, for example, and use SMT to make my own trading decisions. So that's all about layouts. It's pretty simple stuff. So you just have to play and see how it works. So it's kind of convenient and flexible and easy. So okay, then we have a tickers list that we already mentioned, and tickers list on the right side. So here you have only pre-saved list. So it's like you have here either pinned tickers or alerting tickers. About alerting tickers we will be talking later, but for pin tickers, so it's just as simple as like this. You just click on this button and it pins it right to your tickers menu. So it needs time to save it. Let's say it saves on collapsing. So let's say you see those stickers lists that I activated. Also, you will be able to see them here. So by choosing for specific ticker. And as I said, alerting, as soon as you alert some of the tickers, they will be appearing here too. So let's say this one is not marked as pinned. So I just want to alert it, and it also will be appearing here. You see it. It's also pretty simple thing. So here you have a pre-saved list of tickers. Here you have a full list of tickers. Also, you can sort by either alerts or by pinned version. In the middle, you have a filter list. We will be talking about it later. So, but here you can just filter your list by different criterias. But for now, let's just skip it. Okay. Also, you have categories by assets, so you just click on it in order to filter a list by particular asset. Okay. Also, we have a refresh button here. So it's all about, for example, as soon as you start interacting with your charting, it just screws up all your scales. I mean, and in order to restore it, you just have to click on it, and it immediately, instantly restores it on a default state. So by info box I told you about. The next button is a help center. So by going here, you can find abbreviation. It's all about what MarkTools uses as a prefix for different tools that is displayed on the chart. Also, so you can get familiar with all of them here. And how to is frequently asked questions. So you might have different kind of questions, and they are already answered here. So pretty simple. And then it's alert editor. Now in alert editor, you want to create your alerts for your own trading setups. We will be talking about this in next videos. So let's skip it for now too. Then we have a settings. In settings, you can adjust how your interface looks like. You can even affect your behavior of different tools. So this would be the topic of the next video. Then you have a profile menu with usual thing, like you can change your password, see your subscription here, prolong it, or do other stuff. Also, you have a light sim colors or dark sim colors. By choosing light sim colors, you click on light, and you see your sim is changed. Then language, then help center again. It's more about like links to your video guides or just the help center I showed before. Then a Discord channel. You can directly contact us via Telegram or email us or just simply do sign out. That's it for now. Hopefully everything was clear. In next video, we are going to talk about settings. So I'll go through all the settings and I'll show you how they actually affect your charting, how they affect your user interface and other stuff. So see you guys.